Here's something that happens in real projects. You have an authentication module and the user types in the password, logs in or register, and the password is just stored the way they typed it exactly. This is a very serious issue because if someone has access to this database, they'll easily have access to this password stored as plain text. You can see here in line 33, we also have some at line 42, sorry, and another one on line 75. This is something that BugFixer does. So using this BugFixer, I'll simply, in order to sort out this issue, you just simply have to file in an issue request. You give it a name, authentication issue in the auth.py file, password as stored in as plain text. Hey team, I noticed something serious in the file. When a user typed the password, we are storing it as plain text. No hashing, no encryption, nothing. If someone gets access to our database, everything is gone, which is a very serious issue. So you give it as much context as possible. At least I had to specify the lines here. You assign the bug fixer and you create an issue. From here, you see in the sessions the flow, how the activity on how the bug fixer is working. So from here, it will go through, iterate step by step, and give you a summary of issue identified, fix the implementation. It breaks down everything. From there, you can see the pipelines and what's going on. Through that, you're able to see the changes now. This was our original code before we changed the function here to the bcrypt function and other changes as well. From here, we can see the implemented file that has corrected password module fix. All the issues that we had in our first file has been fixed. To there, we can now see the full summary of the code. Once it gives you a comment, this is a comment generated by BugFixer. One thing that really got my attention is the additional note that BugFixer noticed using Claude. Over here it said, I noticed there is still a session token vulnerability on line 62. We did not specify line 62 in our context or in our issue when creating predictable MD5 based on token. This should be addressed in as a separate issue for better security, which is something very much. So you can either do this by either giving it a comment and tagging BugFixer, which also do the same thing, by simply just coming into issues, create a new item and then tag BugFixer there.